In this video, I'll be showing you how to know the keywords a particular video is using to rank on YouTube. If you want to find out the keyword, the hashtags, the tags that a video is using, I'm going to show you how to find out. The first way to find out is by opening the video. You want to know their hashtag and their tags. For example, look at this video. Once you open any video, you are going to see the hashtag they are using. Hashtags are always visible. And also, when you check their description, you are going to see some of the keyword or tags that they are using. Some videos paste it in their description. All you need to do is to copy the keywords, the tags, and the hashtag and use it in your video. Now the question is, what happens if I don't see the tag in the description? Once you're about to upload a video on YouTube, you'll be asked to enter tags. These tags are your keywords that will help your video rank. Now, not all videos will show you their tags. Then how can you find out? How can you extract tags from any video? There is a website I'm going to show you, and the website is TubeRanker. So all you need to do is to go to tuberanker.com, then you click on All Tools, then click on Tag Extractor. Once you open Tag Extractor, what you need to do is to copy the video link and come here and paste it and click Extract Tags. Can you see? It has extracted all the tags used in this video. So all you need to do is to select all and copy and make use of it in your video. So this is how to find the tag any video is using. There are so many tools that can do that for you. Some of them are paid tools, and there are few free tools like this one I just showed you. Another one you can use is vidIQ. vidIQ can help you see the tags a video is also using, and you can copy it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. You can check the description to see other videos that refers to how to find out a tag that a video is using. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell.